is I'm gonna be doing a bottle flipping, and we're gonna be changing how height it is and how low it is, and things that change. My prediction is A because I feel like that have good enough momentum to move it. And yeah.
And why don't you think the other ones will work?
Because this one I feel like it will be too heavy. It would spin a lot. This one, like kind of, but not just right because it's gonna spin like always gonna land on the side most of the time. Then B just gonna go way too fast.
Okay. Okay, so since Coty has decided that the change is going to be the amount of water in each bottle, we're going to make sure all of these stay the same. He's going to use the same hand movement every time. His body position will be the same. He's going to do it in the same spot. Landing. Do you expect the bottle to land on the cap or bottom? We're going to go for the bottom. Flip speed. How fast will you flip the bottle? He's going to do the same for each one. Method of flipping for the release. Straight arm or bending your arm? How do you think you're going to do it?
Like straight. So straight.
Straight arm? It looked like your arm was bent.
Well, yeah, bending arm.
Bending arm?
Yeah. So like this.
Okay. And what end of the bottle will you hold when you release?
The cap.
You're going to hold the cap. So
Yep.
you can write that there. And actually, you can write bottom here.
Hold on here.
Environment, you're going to... this hand use. What hand will you be using to flip the bottle each time?
My right.
Right hand.
Because
I'm going to use the same hand.
How do you spell right?
R-I-G-H-T.
Okay, and then body position, no, then
Environment. Where will the bottle land?
Table.
On the table.
Wait,
Okay. So next, the procedure. Collect 4 bottles. We've done that. All the same bottles. Label the first bottle A. So we've labeled them A, B, C, and D, just like it says. Okay. Decide how much water to fill in each. We did that. You can see D has the least. C has a good amount. B has the most. And A, that's the one that Coty thinks is going to land the best. He thinks it's got the best weight distribution on the bottom, right?
Yep.
Okay. All right. What does it say? Flip each bottle 10 times. For each bottle, record on a data table how many of those times you actually landed upright. Calculate the percentage of successful flips for that bottle. Once you've collected all your data, plot it on a graph or table. Okay, so now we're going to, before you start the lab, draw the shape of the bottle you will be using and color in the amount of water that you should have in each of the bottles.
Okay.
Under each drawing, identify how the bottle is different from the other bottles.
Hey.
Okay. So now we're going to go down to this part. We're going to collect our data. So let's start with bottle A. You're going to flip it 10 times. You ready?
Yep.
Here we go. 1. Oh, landed. That's 1. Oh, 1 for... Okay, hold on. Stop. Let's record it as we do it. So we've gotten 1.
No, 2 did not land.
2 did not land.
1 did. And 1 did land.
Okay, so we've done 3 so far. 1 landed. 2 did not. All right, do number 4. Land. All right. Oh, man. Coty's just a bottle flipping expert here.
Is it 1, 2? Okay.
Oh, that was a fail. Okay. So we got 3 and 3. That's 6. Oh!
7. 8.
All right, we're tied up right now. It's 4 and 4. Oh!
9.
Can we keep it an even tie? And he did it.
Okay.
So we had
10 and 5.
we had 5 lands
5 didn't
and
land.
5 did not land. All right, bottle B. Here we go. Flip number 1. Oh boy, that is a not land. Nine. and 10. All right, so Cody's prediction so far is correct, and that A did more than B. B got 0 landings. Okay, here we go with bottle C. There's 1. Yeah, you can do the check marks. Oh.
2 failed.
3.
Baba.
Oh. Oh, we got 1.
Daddy, I was going to.
Okay, so how many is that so far? 5?
Yep.
Okay, we've got 1 landed. Oh, 2 landed.
Daddy.
I don't know how it's landing now.
3 landed. Uh-oh. We might have a tie here. 4 landed.
Wait, what did... Oh, this is the last one. Could it be a tie?
Oh!
What?
Wait a minute.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, no, one.
You got 1 more. Oh my goodness! C got 6! That got the most so far. Alright, last one. D. It has the least amount of water in it. Just a drop almost. Whoa. Okay, that was 1. Uh-oh. No! 0 for D.
Wait.
Alright, so it was pretty close.
Daddy, I think my boob was getting.
C1.
Daddy,
C
I
has
think
the
my
most.
That's where we're at.
boob was getting on my-
A had 5 successful lands, B had 0, C had 6, and D had 0.
I don't know how. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright, so Cody's now graphing his results. Okay, so according to Cody's graph, A got 5 in, or 5 landed, 5 did not land. Bottle B, 0 landed, 10 did not land. Bottle C, 6 landed, 4 did not land. And bottle D, 0 landed, and 10 did not.
Based on the events that bottle C had the most successful lands, I can conclude that 1 cup is the right amount of water to most likely to land most of the time. Hiya.